What is up, guys? It's your boy Logan, and we are back on the Logan Brown Show. For today, we're going to be taking a look at the Supreme Sideline Hoodie, guys, which was sold on week 5 of this spring season, guys. Yes, week number 5. We're diving straight in. In fact, they came in 5 different colorways. What do you know? 5th week, 5 different colorways. And the colorways we had were a white on black, and then the red on blue, which red on blue was the most hyped out for some reason. I think it's because that was the only jacket that had red in it, because Supreme red, you know. Then there's a white on white, and orange on green, and then finally, we have these Laker colors, which is like a purple and yellow, guys. It would have been better to see more purple, but hey, beggars can't be choosers. And they were the most hyped item for drop week number 5, guys, and surprisingly I still got a size medium. Either though these jackets sold out so fast, I still managed to get my hands on one, guys. And like I said before, I will have a tutorial coming very soon, guys, on how you can get Supreme for yourself online, just like I do. But stay tuned for that, guys.
We grew up so fast. Young Poppy's definitely been sprouting some more leaves, guys.
Without further ado, let's get into this review. Alrighty, guys, here is the Supreme Sideline Hoodie right here, guys. Yes, it is so lit. We got the white on white. Well, technically, it's like a light gray on white, but the majority of the jacket is white, guys. Before we get into all this, alright, you guys already know what's first. This came with 2 stickers, guys. Yes, Supreme box logo stickers. Now, if you guys did not check out my last video, what I showed you guys was the difference between these generic regular Supreme stickers and the other Supreme stickers that Supreme's also dropping. Supreme's really upping their box logo game, not only in look, but quality, guys. Alrighty, guys, so here, this came in a plastic bag, just like this. It didn't come in another Supreme bag, unfortunately, but it just came in this. Now, let's go ahead and remove this tape right here, guys, and slide out this hoodie right here, right now, for all you guys to see. Oh, dang, why is Supreme so soft? That's my question. Woo! I'm gonna put this bag to the side real quick. The bag is now put away, guys, and here's the Supreme Sideline Hoodie, guys. What I want to point out first is this box logo on the side. If you guys remember watching my Scooby-Doo box logo hoodie video, guys, yes, the Scooby-Doo hoodie also had a Supreme box logo on the side, but it was brown because the hoodie was brown. Flip this around, and now I'm going to open this up for you guys. You start to see the hood. See, the inside color of the hood is a light heather gray, but the jacket is completely white, guys. It is plain, except the box logo on the side and the sleeves, guys. Despite the whole jacket, the sleeves are what's important, because that's what says Supreme, and that's what's been selling these sideline hoodies, because on the side, your arms literally say Supreme. The reason why Supreme sells out so much is because when you have Supreme on the actual item, people are like, I want that, right? Because it's like, they don't incorporate that much Supreme into the items that often. That's why these jackets sold out so fast. That's why I got one now, is because I knew what was going to happen. Now, I am going to resell this jacket, because I resell value. This jacket sold for $148, guys. Shipping made $158 because it's just $10 shipping. I have the list right here of the sellout times. The blue on red hoodie sold out first in 15 seconds. The gold on purple sold out in 22 seconds. The black sold out in 22 seconds as well. And also the white hoodie sold out in 26 seconds. Yes, Supreme sells out fast. You have to be fast. It's for the resale value. The reason why it sells out so fast too, guys, is because if you want to buy Supreme, it's expensive. But if you buy it as retail, if you buy it when the store sells it, that's the cheapest that you can buy that item for brand new. That's why people want it, is because, like, if you're gonna get Supreme, you might as well try to get it as low as you can. And so when you buy something, then you can resell it, and or just keep it for yourself and just flex it Supreme. You know what I'm talking about, guys? But thank you for watching this review. That's all I have for you guys today. Alrighty, guys, that is it. Thank you for watching this review on this Supreme Sideline Hoodie, guys. Yes, the white Supreme Sideline Hoodie. Make sure you guys slap the subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up, and as always, I'll see you guys Wednesday.